Alright guys, so I'm back. I want to dye my hair with this jet black Adore creative image color. It's in color 121. Y'all can see that. Come on, jet black. You're supposed to shampoo your hair first. I would recommend that if you want the color to last long. I'm just going to put it on my hair. This is what it looks like. And guys, if you don't know, I am Texlaxed. So this will not look like this once I continue to dye it and stuff like that. So this is going to be me dyeing my hair. And then I should have a video after this showing you how I style it. So continue watching. Yeah. Please subscribe, rate, comment, like this video. Comment, please comment. I need you to comment, guys, so YouTube will notice me. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, there's Amazon links to the products I use and the materials I use in my videos. Please use them. I get a percentage, and I'd appreciate it. Alright, guys. Thanks for... Y'all, it's crazy how my hair just reverts back after I Texlaxed. That oil really helps, guys. Watch my previous video to see how I do this. But it's like having a natural afro. Like, for real, my hair is naturally 4C. So what you'll need is this. And if you don't want it to be too messy, use an application brush. And you can put this in a bowl. And it's semi-permanent, so it doesn't last as long as permanent dye. Old towel. I already started on my hair. So what we're going to do is pour some of this in there. And I always put the top back on it. Y'all can see. Put the top back on it and lock it. Make sure it's shut so it don't spill. Then I'm just going to continue going. This is how you properly do it. Don't just pour it on your head like I did in the previous part. Yeah, I did. Take your time. Sometimes it's worth being professional. And guys, since this is temporary, you don't have to put any like Vaseline or anything around your hairline. Unless you absolutely want to. And I'm just going to go in the back. I think I'll show you all the back. Try not to get it on my back, bro. And just make sure it's all saturated. And guys, if you want to, wear gloves. If you don't, like I don't, because it's going to wash off, then don't. Guys, so what you do is you take a comb and just comb through it. Be careful, because I'm trying not to get it on my backdrop. Because it is white. Going forward. And guys, you will need heat for this. But like I said, guys, shampoo your hair first if you want the color to last really long. For some reason, the instructions, a lot of people don't realize this. That's how you get bleeding. I don't mind the bleeding, though. Like, if you shampoo it, then put the color on, and then you're supposed to shampoo it out. That way it doesn't bleed all over everything. Like, you see a lot of people on YouTube that just put it on there and wash it out. If you're doing it on your own hair, I wouldn't advise it. Make sure you shampoo before you put this in and after you put it in. I know it's weird. If you read the instructions, I'm telling you, I'm not lying. You read the instructions, that's what it says to do. Process with heat. So that's what I'm going to do. And I like adding jet black to my hair. Feel like it makes me look, I don't know, not younger, but more bold. It makes me feel more pronounced with my features. So yeah, Now I'm going to add some heat. We'll be back. I'll be back. Who the hell is we? Me and my dog Wolverine? Alright guys, so I got my Andy's blow dryer. I got it from Walmart. I might leave a link for this. And it's got cool, warm, hot, and then off, low, high. And then this is a cool button. It has a little snowflake beside it. And that's just to cool your hair down or to close your cuticles after you do it. So right now I'm going to put it on warm, on low. Alright guys, so I have it on high now. And now it's on hot. Alright guys, leave this on for about 5-10 minutes. And if you want it longer, leave it on 30 minutes. It's not going to damage your hair. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this on for about 5 minutes. Quick rinse. I don't mind reapplying. If you want your product to last longer, if you want the product in the bottle to last longer, then just leave the product, the dye on your hair longer. That way you don't have to come back and keep retouching your hair. Okay, so 30 minutes to an hour, leave this on. Add a little bit of heat, wash it out. So yeah, let's get busy. All right, guys. Just